Thanks for watching, viewer, whoever you are. I appreciate it. My name is Jeremy, and this is a special sponsored video stream from Pyre, created for gamers by gamers. And the product that I'm promoting, just emptied it from the box, is Godmode. Godmode Neurotropic Blend. And this is a beverage for gamers, for Twitch streamers as well. If you're a guy or a girl or a person who just like to sit at the computer and work on the computer, whether it be in accounting, design, graphic design, even if it doesn't have to be gamer, but it's made for gamers, but it's good for all people who work at a computer or learn some technology for a long period of time. Your brain needs fuel. Your brain needs energy and focus. This is what I'm promoting, especially for the holidays. $55 is the regular price. Click the description link. There's a link in the description of this video. Coupon code is Video Gamers Oasis. You get a significant discount, 10% off the purchase. So please check the link out. What do you got to lose? You know, you're gonna spend a lot of time on the computer during these times that was kind of enduring. Why not embrace the gamer, streamer lifestyle? If that's what you want to do, why not nourish your brain with God mode, energy and focus? Now I'm going to read it for you. This time I came prepared. Got my spectacles on. These are usually what I wear. Not usually, but I usually wear spectacles for a comedy character I play, Professor Jerome Bookreader. And the description of this God mode nootropic blend, focus, energy, reflex, lethal lemonade. That's the flavor. So those of you in YouTube land may have a real unusual fetish for lemonade beverages. I'm not going to tell you why, but maybe you like the color yellow. Maybe that kind of excites you. Well, that's what I'm going to be drinking. God mode. Neurotropic blend, lemonade flavor. And I'm just going to read the description in the back for those who care. The description says here, formulated by gamers for gamers. Here's what the container says. Pyre's Mana Focus and Recovery Blend. Specially formulated to keep your brain and body fueled for recovery and performance. Mana was designed to enhance your ability to focus and perform by providing your brain with the amino acids which are essential for neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. Second, Mana provides an energy blend of caffeine and theobromine to boost your focus, energy levels, and blood flow to the brain, resulting in optimal mental focus and performance. That's something really important. If you're a hardcore gamer, you want an abundant amount of blood and nutrients to go to your brain, because you're going to need those nutrients to help you focus during a really hard, intense, action-packed moment of tension and anxiety and thrills and chills. Now here are the directions here. Mix one serving, one scoop, in 6 to 8 ounces of cold water and consume 30 to 45 minutes before beginning activity. Do not exceed 2 scoops in any 24-hour period. I'll repeat that again for emphasis. Do not exceed 2 scoops in any 24-hour period. Warning. There's a warning here, folks. Safety first, quality always. That's what I used to read in the factory. I used to work at auto parts factory. Warning. Do not use if under the age of 18. Do not use if you are pregnant or nursing. Consult a medical doctor before use if you have any medical condition or family history of disease, including but not limited to hypotension, hypertension, heart, liver, or thyroid disease, diabetes, psychiatric disease, asthma,
pernicious anemia, enlargement, or if you are taking any prescription drug. Keep out of reach of children. Distributed by Pyre. Salt Lake City. That's a great place to hang out sometime. Let's look up. Oh, and there's something you want to hear. If you're a health nut, if you are a vegan, you'll want to hear. You want this product because it says here, gluten-free, vegan, made in the USA. Thank you. Well, you're welcome. So if you're a vegan, if you're someone who is very particular on your gluten levels of the food that you and drink that you eat, it's gluten-free. It's made of vegan ingredients, so you don't have to worry about devouring any animal products in this beverage. 100% vegetable products or vegan approved. I think we've done enough chatter, folks. I think we're ready to try the beverage. Okay, first time I'm going to try the beverage. So I'm unscrewing the top here. Unscrewing the top of the Pyre Godmode lemonade flavor. Some of you people love the flavor of lemonade, almost to a pathological level. I know some people love the color yellow. So let's unscrew this thing. Oh boy, it's sealed for freshness and safety too. So let's get this thing opened up. Open sesame. It kind of smells kind of fruity, lemon, like a citrus fruit. And just going to check the ingredients. There's a little bit of an anti-moisture product here. I'm going to use my spoon. I'm not going to use my fingers. I'm going to use my spoon to pluck out the plastic scoop that is included in the cup, in the container. Here we go. Here is the product. They say, I'm going to read that again. I'm going to read that again for the warning. It says here, I'm going to read that again. Do not exceed 2 scoops in any 24-hour period. So mix 1 serving, 1 scoop in 6-8 ounces of cold water. So let's pour out a little bit of water. I use Brita filtered water, by the way, for my Pyre beverage. Oh, by the way, it says in this cup here, I don't know if you can see it here, it says BPA free. So I encourage you to buy the cups. There's a link in the description where you can purchase the cups for your beverage. It's BPA free, so it's very healthy plastic. So let's pour the water in here. Pour that water. The water is in. You take 1 scoop. Ingredients. Let's get this right here. Directions. Mix 1 scoop into 6 ounces of water. Consume. Okay, 1 scoop, not 2. 1. Only have 2 scoops a day. Do not exceed 2 scoops between 24 hours. Okay. 1 scoop. All right. Take this powdery beverage, powdery mix, and we're going to put it into the drink like so. Feel like we're doing a chemistry class here. All right, enter that. Put it back in the container. Put in the turbine device that's used for mixing into the cup like so. It's already starting to dissolve. You can see it's starting to dissolve. I'm going to screw it nice and tight. Tight, tight. I like the word tight for some reason. I don't know why I like the word tight. All right. Make sure that lid is snapped shut so there's no escaping beverage. Make sure that screw is tight, 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 tight. All right, I think we're tight enough. That's as tight as we're going to go. We'll give it a good shake now. I don't think we need the glasses anymore for shaking a beverage. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. I feel like I'm in a mariachi band. Shake, 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 shake. I like my martinis shaken, not stirred, like Sean Connery would say. Yeah. Shake, shake. All right. Yeah. I'm going to shake that beverage. I think it's good enough. Okay. I think we're good, guys. I think we're ready for the taste test. Let's give a little taste test first. Test the water a bit. I'm not going to
guzzle down a beverage without tasting the flavor first. Here we go. Hey, tastes like lemonade. Very sweet, but not too sweet. Just the right amount of sugar. Very fresh taste. Time to go bottoms up. Finish it up. That's a dumb idea. I'm gonna save the rest of it for my gaming stream a little bit later. Excuse me. That is a good beverage. There you have it, folks. There's Pyre, Godmode, energy and focus for gamers, streamers, and people who just sit on their computer doing a lot of heavy-duty computer work. I highly recommend you get the Godmode Energy Focus. I'm using the lemonade flavor, but there's actually 3 different types of flavor, including grape and fruit punch as well. So choose the flavor you like. Click the link in the description of this video broadcast. Coupon code VideoGamersOasis to get a significant discount, 10% off, I believe. So save some money. Makes a great gift, makes a great stocking stuffer if that's what you celebrate. Make sure to purchase for that special gamer or streamer in your life the Godmode Energy and Focus. And don't forget to get the cup. They're going to need that mixing cup to mix the beverage. I'm Jeremy from Video Gamers Oasis. Thanks for watching, folks. I appreciate your you tuning in and watching me demonstrate this product for you. I hope it has been enticing you and to purchase the product, or at least giving you some entertainment. Thanks for watching. Take care of each other. I will be broadcasting a little bit later for some Legend of Zelda. I'm going to take a little lunch break. I will be seeing you real soon. Have a splendid, enjoyable holiday season, whether it be Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, Lo Saturnalia, Yuletide, happy holidays, season greetings. Take care of each other, take care of your families, and love each other, and have an awesome holiday season and a happy new year. Thanks for watching, folks. Till next time. Bye.
Hi, this is Jeremy from Video Gamers Oasis speaking. Make sure to follow my Twitch channel, https://www.twitch.tv/Video Gamers Oasis, and chat with me while I'm streaming.